Join me as we make a cute light up pumpkin door hanger. Hi, I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and if you're new to my crafting tutorial videos, I would love if you would subscribe. And if you don't want to miss out on any of my videos, make sure to ring that bell. I've got all the supplies that we're going to use laid out on my table here. Now the pumpkin file that we are going to be using you can find in my SVG shop. So I cut it out on my OhmTech laser, which is kind of like a glow forge if you're not familiar with OhmTech. And I cut the pumpkin pieces out of 1/8 inch MDF and then the yellow acrylic pieces out of 1/8 inch yellow acrylic. Then we're also going to use some orange paint, a foam brush, these LED lights, and some E6000 glue. We're going to start by painting the face of our pumpkin, and I'm just going to be using a plate here as my paint palette. So I'm going to squirt some paint on, and then using a foam brush, we're going to paint that orange on. I applied 2 coats of paint to my pumpkin face here. And next we are going to glue in our acrylic pieces. So I'm going to take our acrylic piece and just make sure that they're going the right way because they only fit in one way. Okay, that one goes like that. Then I'm going to take some E6000 glue and just put a little bit along each of those edges. There we go. Okay, and we're going to do that to all of our pieces. And it is helpful to have one of these glue erasers nearby so you can clean up any of that glue that seeps onto the back. These are really nice to have anyways. So there is our pumpkin. That looks so cool with the yellow acrylic in there. Next, we're going to put our lights on the back. And before we do that, we're going to take one of our frame pieces and just trace it, because we are going to glue our lights into place. And of course, we can't glue them anywhere where the frame is at. These are the lights that I'm using. There are 20 little LED lights on this string. And what I love the most about this is it is programmable. So it runs for 6 hours, off for 8 hours, and automatically turns itself on and off. And oh my goodness, it comes with this little tiny screwdriver. Look at how cute that little screwdriver is. So for starters, let's use that adorable little screwdriver. We're going to put our batteries in, and our little box is going to sit right there. And in fact, let me get our other piece. We're going to trace this as well because that's where that box is going to sit. You can do this with glue, but that's going to take a while. So I'm going to just take some tape and I'm going to cut it into a whole bunch of little tiny strips. And then we're just going to go around. And tape it in place. We're going to glue our frame pieces together and then our backer piece. I just want to make sure that all of those edges line up. Now we're going to glue our back piece on. And again, we just kind of want to line everything up. Now this step is completely optional, but I want to stick my little battery pack there to the back to make sure that it won't fall out. So to do that, I'm just going to take 2 command strips and basically they're just Velcro. And take off the sticky side off of both pieces. And then I put them on the back of my battery pack. And then I can find exactly where they go and press it into place. And then my battery pack will stay on there when I'm moving the piece around. I forgot to list this in the product supply list at the beginning of the video, but you will want a long piece of twine to hang your door hanger. I'm just gonna feed that through both ends, and I can decide about how long I want it and tie these ends together. And there is our cute little pumpkin. And should we turn the lights on? Ta-da! Isn't he so cute? He's gonna look so cute hanging on my front door. Follow me for more fun craft tutorials. And if you want even more crafting fun, visit my home base, thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everyone. Bye and happy crafting.